So guys, I am super excited about this. I hope you are as well. This bag has received some good reviews, so I cannot wait to see what this looks like in person. So guys, this is the first thing we get once we open the box. Okay, so first impressions. This is already looking like a very mean bag. So it comes in this protective plastic wrap. I mean guys, just look at that Legion symbol. This is so epic. Let's get this plastic out of it. Guys, let's take a look at this bag. So first up, right up front, you have a zip compartment right here. This is what they call their armor shell. Super sick, loving it. So you can access this by opening the zip compartment here. The zips have a very good feel to it. And here you have access to the compartments. You've got very large pockets on both sides here. You've got some nice cushioned padded pockets down here. And another pocket here. Decent quality. These feel very nice. I love the accents. It's got this really cool honeycomb design. Moving on. Taking a look at the next pockets. You can access this with the two zips. The really cool thing about this, these zips open all the way. So you have a very decent opening for the bag. Some of the really cool features why I picked this bag. Right off the bat, you'll notice this little tab on the top here. So you can open that. You might be asking the question, well, what is this tab for, TJ? Well, I'm glad you asked. So if you can take a look at that, it's got a little headphone symbol as you can see there. So that is so you can slot your headphones in here and the band actually goes around this loop. So think of it as being suspended headphones basically in the bag. It has its own pocket for that. You know your headphones are going to be well protected. That is a cool feature. Down here you've got two more additional pockets with some elastic bands to keep it nice and secure. And on the other side, you've got a nice pocket on the top here. Maybe you could put your mouse. You've got a zip pocket here with a mesh. There's a pocket to access this last one. This section doesn't open all the way. It stops at about midway of the bag. Now here, you would slot in your laptop. Again, I haven't seen a laptop bag with this type of protection. These have these little soft dimples. You can really be rest assured that your laptop is going to be safe in here. There is another pocket on the top. You could use this to store a tablet of your choice. Look at the cushioning that they've done for you. It's very cool. You've got another pocket down here. It's a fairly decent size. Now, looking at these shoulder straps, it's got a decent amount of branding on here. It's not over the top, not in your face. This does feel very nice. This feels like the same material as the front of the bag. Some other features is there are some clips here that you can hang things off. If you do fully max out the bag, you can use this chest strap to take off some of the weight of your back. The handle on the top, it feels really solid. Another really cool feature, because this bag is so chock full of them. There's a zip on the side here to reveal a hidden water bottle holder. There's not that many bags that do this. This is great. Use it when you need to and pack it away when you are done. And that, my friends, is an overview of the Legion Gaming Backpack. Next up, part 2. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this unboxing review. In this part, we're going to be answering a very important question. Is this laptop bag the right one for you? And how we're going to do this is very simple. I put together a group of items that I think most people are going to be carrying in their laptop bag. So this would give you a really good idea as to, is this bag the right fit for you? So without further ado, let's take a look at the items. So first up, I've got a laptop. This is a 17-inch HP Elite Book. We've got a laptop charger. We've got a power bank and a USB cable, a mouse, an external hard drive, a gaming headset, a mini tripod and a cell phone mount, a file, pen and permanent marker. Okay guys, let's actually get everything packed into this. Here's the bag. Let's get the laptop packed in first. We're going to be opening the zip in the back. Again, this is a 17-inch laptop bag, so this fits in perfectly in here. Next up, we're going to open the middle zip and get the bulk of the items packed away. Again, one of the really cool features of why I picked this bag was the zips open all the way down, so you've got really clear access to grab the items that you need. So guys, let's get the file packed away first. Laptop charger. We've got a slot for the mouse. So guys, a really cool feature of this bag is your headset. Cool thing is that they got this little tab here. Secure it in place. Okay, the headset cable. Okay, next up, the front compartment. Your power bank, your external hard drive, the cell phone mount. Got the USB cable and the external hard drive cable. And they've actually got a decent slot in here. You can store the mic. So guys, there is a pouch on the inside here. Okay, finally, my pen and permanent marker. And that is how you pack the Legion backpack. Hey guys, welcome back. To sum things up, if you are in the market for a laptop bag, and that's specifically a 17.3-inch laptop bag, I would highly recommend you check out this from Lenovo. This is the Legion backpack, and I mean, aesthetically, this looks amazing. Lenovo has done a phenomenal job on designing the backpack. Some of the positives, there's loads of comfort on this thing. You are not going to be fatigued by carrying this for a long period of time. And I think one, a really small, simple thing is a lot of manufacturers skimp on the handle. And I really like that they put a really dense cushioning on this. It feels really good when you're carrying the bag and you are trekking your bag over long distances. I can actually recommend this for people who are looking for a travel backpack as well. It's gotten plenty of features that you can really pack this bag. The benefit of having all those extra pockets is you got a lot more organization built into this bag, which in a pinch, if you're traveling and need to get out your passport, it's very easy to access that. Overall, this bag is packing loads of features. Another example would be the built-in water bottle holder. Use it when you need it, pack it away when you don't. That's a really cool feature. There's loads of pockets, as I mentioned previously. The design alone is very eye-catching and it's very sleek. It's got just enough edginess. I think the only department where I would say is Lenovo could have done a little bit better job would be on the shoulder straps. I like the design of them, but the option to remove the chest strap. I understand its functionality, but for some of us who are not going to be carrying too much weighted items, this is kind of feature that's not really going to get used. So you might want to probably tuck this around the band itself just to keep it out the way. So guys, go and check this out. I will try and leave some links in the description. I did purchase this in South Africa. Overseas, I think there is a newer model of the Legion, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to pick this up. So when I did see this locally available, I grabbed it while I still could. So guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and drop a comment down below on what feature of this backpack has grabbed your attention. I'm your host TJ and I will catch you on the next one.